This video will provide an in-depth view into the quoting process within Cloud Quote. To create a quote, click on New. Fill in the mandatory client information highlighted in red. Previously created clients will appear in the client name drop-down for easy access. Add a client logo if you like. A completed address will automatically update the client's coordinates. Alternatively, click on Coordinates button to find the client-specific location. If applicable, you can also fill in the country, region, area, sector, and currency. A quote note allows you to add a note to the quote and will be displayed in a predefined area, usually within the Terms and Conditions or Executive Summary section. A private note is something you want to remember about this quote and will not show in the quote itself. When you are happy with the client details, you can create options for the quote. We can create multiple options. An option is a basket of goods with its own products and specific cost calculations. If you want one total cost for the client on multiple products, we would add the products into that specific option. In this example, we will create two options. Products are grouped on the left, and we can click onto each group to find the product we are looking for. These products are listed from the cheapest to the most expensive product in a group by default. Alternatively, simply search for the product name. Drag and drop into the Options section, or double-click on the product and add it to the option. Some products have accessories, and we can choose the appropriate items here. Other products will use Excel configurators, which can be opened and configured by clicking on the Configure button. Once done, save the spreadsheet. All items with completed quantities in the configurator will pull into Cloud Quote. To provide yourself with more space, you can unpin the product groups and hide the accessories. When choosing a product with once-off or monthly charges, you will notice that this does not change the base price of the total solution. Only base pricing is used in calculating factor-based rentals. The once-off and monthly charges are unaffected by factors and will display in your quote if your specific template allows for it. You can also add a custom product. Provide a name, part number, image, description, and price. Add accessories if you like, and apply their specific costs. Now that the products have been created in the option, we can apply the relevant markup or margin, settlement, and other costs. These are all added to the total selling price. Choose your payment options. If you make use of rental factors, these rentals will automatically be calculated when selecting the payment options. These can also be removed. Before you generate your quote, you may want to add a current versus proposed scenario. Cloud Quote knows the proposed product and values, but you will need to complete the current details per product. Notice that the total number of existing items being replaced by this proposed product is shown. In this case, it is 1, but it could be more. Repeat for the other products if necessary. The last step is to check the custom fields. These will need to be completed based on your template, but you will get an idea of what each of these does by hovering over the Information button. We can now create another option and repeat the previous steps, or create an exact copy of this option and add or edit specific details. Options can be renamed, and these will reflect in the quote accordingly. Once you are happy with the details, generate the quote. If changes are required, edit in Cloud Quote and generate the quote until you are satisfied. Reps that require a quote to be approved before saving or generating a quote will need to request an approval. Comments can be included for the manager. A version will be created. The approval has now been requested, but the rep cannot save or print the document until the quote has been approved. Once approved, the rep can save, print, or email from the PDF viewer. You will not be able to edit a locked version of a quote. To make changes, you will first need to create a new version of the quote, at which point management approval will be required for the new version. As a manager, you will also be able to right-click on products to provide either a price override or line discount, which will change the price of the product for this quote only. All price overrides are tracked in the Reports section of Cloud Quote. Attachments allow for documents, images, and signatures to be stored against the quote number. Items like existing contracts and costings, technical site surveys, etc. can be stored here and reverted to later. You can also send these to the client if required. If the attachment is an image, it can also be included in the quote template. The History tab will allow you to view the versions of a quote and the status of the quote approval by management. We can revert to previous versions of a quote for viewing. The quote is now in your pipeline. Please see the dashboard tutorial on maintaining your pipeline and quote statuses. Once a client has accepted a quote, check the selected payment option, then mark the quote option as accepted. We can generate other sales documentation automatically out of Cloud Quote. Each document may require its own specific information to be completed in order to generate. Sometimes, the variable fields are the same across different templates and will automatically populate in the other documents. Should you not have the current versus proposed section in your quotes, or the additional documentation, chat with the Cloud Quote team regarding costs and timeframes to implement these into your Cloud Quote profile. Spend less time quoting and more time selling with Cloud Quote. Click and easy.